Just Dance Girls 101 here, and I'm gonna show you my makeup tutorial. And yeah, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. So that's your eyes, your cheeks, and your mouth. Well, no, I have not done my mouth, and you can see that I've tried things. So what we're gonna use. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna use L'Oreal foundation, and we're gonna put it everywhere. We're gonna put it on our forehead, our nose, mouth. Sorry, there's like a big cloud of it. Okay. Yeah. And this comes off like really easy. Mostly because it's blush and all that, but not foundation powder, but yeah. So then we're going to I got a mirror, so I'm looking up here, so sorry. Then I'm going to put some of this on. So this is L'Oreal foundation also, but it's a little darker. So yeah. Sorry, I'm going so fast. This camera don't take me so fast. But I'm so much better before it turns off. Then we're gonna use some blush, which is from Makeup Artist Set. First you're gonna use your lightest to lighten up your cheeks, just to like give it. I'm just doing it on the wrong side, and okay, I'm gonna do this side. Okay, now it's better. Then you're gonna just apply that to make your give it like a glamoury white look. So you like goose, but just on your cheeks. Then you're gonna use the pink color, the darkest pink color, and that's it. This is all blush. I'm not putting it all over my face or anything like that. Then we're gonna use a set from Toys R Us, and it's like that. Don't come this like that. You can close it up and take it with you somewhere real easily. Then you're gonna use the toner for the darkest pink. Put that tone. I'm doing the wrong cheek again. Okay, sorry. Let's figure that. Okay. So after that, you're gonna get the lightest color. I'm gonna apply that to your face. Then you're gonna get the real dark one. And first, I'm gonna just get 2 dots on my face because it's really, really hot pink. So I'm gonna apply that to my face. Then I'm gonna go into get about that much on there and just go. And then you rub it in. Should make a real light color. If you don't, then just use more of your light one, and until it gets that color, the other color of my cheek. I put too much on, but that's okay. You could do this one too for this one, or you can do this one and just apply more on it. So I like that one really good. I look like really pink, so for those that saw, you know, I look like pink. So I'm gonna take away some of it to make it more pink. Okay. So after that, we're gonna use our skin tone. Mine is about that color, and I'll put that with this brush. So get a lot, so use that. I'm gonna use my hand. That much. Not a lot, but not too less. So. Then you're gonna use the color of your shirt. I'm using the blue color. And just dab that on. Then you're going to apply. This side doesn't look exactly like that side, but that's okay. Then you're going to use the color of your mouth. I'm using this. I'm not sure where I got it from. T-swipes. Then to make that more like swifter and stuff, you're just going to use a little bit more of the L'Oreal foundation and get a little bit about that much. Put that much and just done. I got that from I don't know the YouTube channel, but the YouTube channel's name, but she does Barbie transformation tutorial, so you really need to watch that. Then we're gonna put on clear gloss. This is Signature Near Shine Lip Gloss. So spray it. So just one shot. So that's the end of our makeup tutorial today. So here's what it should look like. It should look your eye, your cheeks, and your mouth. So bye. Hope you had fun. Bye.